Hey everybody, good to see you back again. Not much to do in this video, just have another parts update on the 5J1113 project situation. We made a weekend haul and these pieces are the result. Possible replacement cylinder head, still has valves in it, pre-combustion chambers there also. Casting numbers are all correct. So here's another piece that'll give me a little bit more flexibility as far as rebuilding the engine out of 1113 over there. This one is really a good looking head. It's not all heaved and busted and broken and cracked like the cylinder head that came out of that poor cat there. So pretty happy to have that. Another very nice piece we sourced. Caterpillar 6-spline PTO unit goes on the back of the tractor. We've been looking for one of these for a few years and just have not been able to find a good one. This one, everything spins nice. It's nice and tight, and the engagement linkage is nice and crisp. Detents work very well. We have the drive adapter for it that is usually hard to find because this usually stays inside the back of the tractor. They made sure to get us that. We also have the engagement lever and linkage for it. Pretty much everything you need here to bolt that PTO onto the back of a D2, and this came off of a 3J, and it'll fit this 5J just fine if we can ever make something of this unit. So very, very happy to have all this. Even got all the hardware with it too. Want to send a big shout out to my buddies JB Diesel Digger. Thanks guys, we really appreciate you guys not only sourcing these parts for us, but getting them pulled, and they even cleaned them up too. Just really can't ask for anything more. Very happy with how all that is coming together. So just wanted to give you guys this update on 1113. We're still accumulating parts and pieces, trying to build this thing into something someday. So guys, as always, I appreciate you watching. Hope to see you back again.